Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today. So today we are going to be doing some swatches on this Cara Beauty Cara Duo, and it is the Cleo Queen palette, so it's full of yellows and golds. So yeah, let's get into it. Now I got this for my birthday back in February off Lisa from Banning, Panning and Beyond. She let me choose a gift and I chose this, and she sent me lots of other goodies as well. I'll leave it in the cards section. So this is what it looks like. Isn't it beautiful? So you've got like your neutrals down here, your yellow golds up here, a few glitters scattered around, which I didn't know when I saw it, to be honest. That one is a beautiful glitter. We're going to see how I feel about the glitters, because I'm getting to the point now where I don't really like glitters in palettes. I've actually depotted some Colourpop ones because they say they're not safe to use on the eye. What does this one say? No, these ones are fine. Yeah, it doesn't say anything that you can't use it on the eye. But yeah, we're going to do some swatches now. I could do with, yeah, doing that. So let's go in with Sacrifice first. It's just this one here, and we're going to work our way across. So Sacrifice. This is a really nice inner corner shade. Oh, definitely. It's really nice for the inner corner and the brow bone. Then we've got Protect the Crown, which is the glitter. Look at that. Feels like it's got some kind of gel on it, like underneath. Then we've got Egypt, which is a pale yellow, almost pastel. Then we have Purity, which is a brighter yellow. Then we have Eternal Appeal, which is a gold. Then we have Irresistible Charm, which is a brown matte. Right, so that's the entire first row, guys. Then we're moving over to the second row, which is called, the first one is called Desire Me, which is like a mustard yellow. So that's that one there. Then we have the Throne. Ooh, very pigmented, which is a yellow gold. That one there. Then we have Living Goddess. That one there. Then we have that Femme Fatale shade, which is the glitter. Wow, I will be trying that out. That is absolutely stunning, is it not? Then we have the Nile, which is this bright canary yellow. Then we have Deadly Poison. Oh, that feels gritty. It's not that pigmented. Feels like a Super Shock. Oh, it's got glitter in it, that's why it feels gritty. That's that one there. Right, so third row down, we've got the Ruler, which is a yellow gold. That one there. Then we've got Never Back Down. that one there. Taste of Treason. This one's loose in the pan. So that one there, which is a really nice gold. Then we've got Stand Proud. For some reason I thought this had more yellows in it than it does. I mean, it's beautiful, don't get me wrong, but it's got more bronzy tones, I would say, than yellows. So Stand Proud is that one there. Then we've got the One and Only, which is that one. So that one there. Then we've got Crucial, which is that one there. Right, so I'm going to show you these. I'm going to turn the light down and then we'll do the bottom two rows. It's where they go darker. It's really, really pretty. And definitely I love this glitter here. Absolutely stunning. So yeah, that's just really, really pretty. Let's turn the light down. Feel like the light needs new batteries, so I'll sort that out as well. That's a bit brighter, sorry about that guys. So we're on the fourth row now. So we've got Make an Entrance. So these are all the brown. I'd say like it does have an undertone of yellow in it, but they're quite brown. Then we've got Venera. Oh, that's definitely got yellow in it. It's a nice yellow gold. Oh, it's really pretty. Every time I see these kind of shades, I'm like, oh, that reminds me of honey. So much from the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette, because that was the first time I got to try that shade. And there's also one in the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, which is called Coin, I think it is. So the next one is called Cleopatra. The next one is called Triumph. There's a lot of mattes in here as well, which I didn't realise. It's nice though. Then we've got Temple of Venus. This one's super smooth. I'd definitely like to do 3 or 4 days with this palette. Then we've got Royalty. And then the last row, guys, we've got, I don't know how you pronounce it, Cleopatra. I'm sure that's not how you pronounce it, but then we've got another glitter, Alexandria. Again, super pigmented, guys. What do you guys think of glitters? Do you use them often? I'm just wondering. We've got Legacy. That matte there. Then we've got Octavian. Again, super smooth. I do wish there was more kind of yellow based shimmers in here. We've got the Empire next, which is another matte, and then we've got a black, which Battle of Actium, and that is super black, super black. So guys, that's the entire palette swatched. Let me know your thoughts down below. I really do appreciate your feedback and I love talking to you about makeup. So yeah, let's talk about this palette in the comment section below. Do you have this palette in your collection or any other Cara Beauty palettes? I do have one more which I have talked about in previous videos, but it is only a smaller one and I got that from TK Maxx. Yeah, I'm just really lucky to have this in the collection because you can't really get Cara Beauty in the UK, so I'm really looking forward to trying this one out. From what I've swatched, it is swatching really well, but like I said, you're not getting that much shimmers and you're getting quite a lot of glitters in here as well. So this is the glitter here. So you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4 glitters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shimmers. So say that's 10 with the glitters, and then what? And you're getting 15 mattes, which is a lot of mattes, isn't it? I know I do like a lot of mattes, but a lot of these shades are going to be really similar to one another. You're getting a lot of browns in here, so it will be interesting to see what it looks like on the eyelids. I don't know if I'm going to do 5 looks. I mean, potentially I could. We could really test it out and do a look with each row of this palette, and then we'd be able to do a thorough in-depth review. So I might do that. I'll have a think about it. I don't think I'll be pulling it out this month, maybe in May. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the swatches, and I also wanted to thank Lisa for gifting me this for my birthday. I really do appreciate it. Absolutely love this Femme Fatale shade here. It's absolutely stunning, and the ruler no, it wasn't that one, it was Venera, this one here. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to use it. So guys, we'll stop the video here. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.